Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. I helped somebody do this the other day, and he sent me the file and showed me what it's going to look like, and it came out good. But he said when I put in that like a 10-digit pass um, figure that Corel wouldn't take it. Well, it does, but it rounds it off. So we're just going to kind of prove it. 360 divided by 28 is that number, 12.871 whatever. Copy. Go to this line, Control D and make a duplicate, and just paste in that number by right-clicking and paste, and then hit enter. And you see it moved it, and it moved it again, and it moved it again. Well, the angle says it's only, the first angle says it's only 12.8 sub, because it doesn't go that far. But Corel's rounding it off for you. If we take the angle dimension tool and go from the center to there and then move it over this angle, you'll see it's 12.86. So he thinks, or most people would think it didn't take it. But if you will grab that and put as many digits as you want, it made it. The angle is still 12.85712, blah, blah, blah. So it's accepting it. It's just not letting you see it because you don't need to see it. But it did accept it. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.